my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. If you're new here, I post on Thursdays and Sundays most of the time. And today we're going to be opening up one, well, I shouldn't say like one of my favorites, because like if it wasn't a favorite, it wouldn't be here still. One of my favorite subscription boxes. It's not in the best shape, but this is my Fabfitfun box. And if you've never heard of Fabfitfun, not only do I have a playlist for you, but a little information down below, of course, in the description. It's a quarterly box. It costs like, I think 50 some to send quarterly for a year. So each time, not like for a whole year. I wish, but here it is. We're gonna go through it today. This is my spring box, right? Like, I'm just looking because it's very, I think this is like the smallest Fabfitfun box I've ever gotten. Not even, I can't even lie. It is the smallest Fabfitfun box I've gotten. But very nice. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, it's not spring, it's summer. So this is the summer Fabfitfun box 2023. I was so wrong. But apparently being poolside brings me joy. So we'll see. Let's open this up. And I don't 100% remember what I picked. I know because I'm an annual member, I do get to pick, I think, everything. And a few of the choices I've been doing lately, like the mystery or surprise choice, because I don't like any of the choices. So let's see what I got. You're confusing. So it's like tabs in there, and then it's a sticker, but the sticker goes around the tabs. Okay, I got it. Yeah. As I'm about to like drop everything, I got it. Here it is, teeny tiny, very cute. The Shopping Club, curated in California. It says Fabfitfun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at a nice price. I mean, if you do find things you genuinely like or enjoy, they do have like their little shop that you can get it from, which is pretty cool. Oh, I like the blue. Thank you for shopping. Have a nice day. Shop, shop, shop. Huh, sponsored. Milk Makeup, Kate Spade. Liquid Death. Deals for Days. Fabfitfun. Come on in. This is like a little store box. What is this about? Tell me more. Like, hello, beautiful. I like the blue because I decided to go kind of bluey today myself. So this worked out well. We got another one of these Fabfitfun in games. Ultimate prize pack valued at $10,000. Little scratcher winner thingies. And my box. Paper. And I don't... The lid is off, that's okay. I don't see like the little magazine that we normally... Oh! I'm dropping things. Here we go. I don't... I'm putting this down because I'm making a mess already. I don't see the little... Come over here. I don't see like the little magazine that we normally get. Of course, the little add-in doodles. Where's my phone? Because I have to pull up my app. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 little... I guess I didn't... Ugh. I guess I didn't get any big products. Like, all excited because... Woohoo, I forget what I got. Fabfitfun. We're waiting for it to load. And they make it so easy. Like, maybe it's just me, but all you have to do when you come in the app is click here and it shows you everything you got, which is so simple. So let me start on here on the top and we'll work our way down. The first item is from OLEHENRIKSEN. OLEHENRIKSEN. I swear, sometimes when I like think about what I'm saying, it just doesn't sound right. But it's OLEHENRIKSEN. It's the Lemonade Soothing Scrub for $35 hairs. This is what it looks like. I don't 100% remember what the choices were. I just know I didn't have much that I like. So I got this. Whether I'll use this or I'll give it away, I kind of wanted to try using this, like, if I don't use it on my face, maybe on my body, because I love the way the lemon smell is. Maybe not for my face. So we'll see. $35. Just wet the skin, gently massage it in, leave on for up to 2 minutes before rinsing, and can be used 2 to 3 times per week. It's the, well, it's a soothing scrub, but it has AHAs and lemon peel extract to help exfoliate, so that'll be pretty neato burrito. The next item, let me go back, is from, oh, you're a lot bigger. This is bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and I know, this, it's from KIWI, I believe is how you pronounce it. It's the fine to medium hair treatment mask, $38 hairs. So you're gonna kind of treat this, I imagine, yeah, like a leave-in conditioner. Well, not a leave-in conditioner, but like a deep conditioner. That's the word. Don't treat this like a leave-in conditioner. Treat this like a deep conditioner. This is so lovely, though. Oh my god, how is this gonna work in the shower, though? Like, I'm kind of. Oh, this is grippy. Okay, this not so much. This is very slippery, like the base, but the top is very grippy. I want to see if I can smell it. Oh. Very like calm, neutrally. We have like a nice little spa smell feel to it, which is pretty good. And this $38 hairs. That's a lot. I don't know if I'd pay that much for a hair mask. I really hope I don't. And I'm not gonna say I hope I don't enjoy this, but I hope I don't fall absolutely in love with it, because then I'm gonna have to want to have to buy it. Oh, dang. Anyway, $38. The next item, I don't normally do this because the last ones I bought, I don't think I've even worn yet. I think I gave them to one of my nieces. This is their earrings from Elizabeth Stone. They're mood bar studs, $45 hairs. They're lab created opal and 14 karat gold plated brass combo earrings for a chic, clean, and elevated look. Sanitize jewelry before trying on. I mean, they're very dainty, which is kind of like what I like. I realize now that like I'm older, I kind of just like to, one, be able to get items out of small bags, and two, just kind of like put earrings in and forget about them. I have one like on the third hole here that I've just left and forgot about because it matches my earring and it matches one of my rings, so whenever I do wear them, it works. Here we go. Only took like an hour. Huh. Cute. Has little plasticky things to stop from poking everything. These are pretty cute. Very nice. I'm not 100% sold on the opal. Gold isn't even my color anyway, but someone likes to buy me gold. Like, they take after my dad. For some reason, they like to purchase me gold items. I'm a silver girly, but okay. I still wear it. I still love it, and it's kind of grown on me. But anyway, off track. Let's get back. $45 for the studs. This next item is missing its little lid, but I'm glad you didn't like spill everywhere. And I heard not everybody got this item in their choice. I was gonna say choice, but you all got choice, but this wasn't necessarily something you could have picked. It's from Briogeo. It's the Superfoods Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1. $25 hairs. It looks like it's gonna work really good. I like at least the consistency in the container. Yeah, it's kind of slopping around in there. It looks pretty good. 3-in-1 leave-in spray detangles, conditions, and protects hair from the drying and damaging effects of the sun's UV rays. So when do I use it? So we're going to shake it really well, spray lightly throughout clean, damp hair, focusing on mid-length to the ends of the hair. I just make up my own words, I swear. Gently comb through hair to detangle, don't rinse out. So this is like an adult detangler with added benefits, which is kind of good. I'm not even gonna lie, because there's been times where like I've curled my hair and it gets so windy that like I come home and I have a horrible tangle somewhere I can't get out no matter the conditioner. And I've resorted to stealing the little ones like detangling spray. So this will help me seem like more of an adult. Got this. Yes. $25. That's not too bad, I guess. Ooh. And I picked this next item solely based off of me falling in love with another product from this brand. It's Serum Kind. It's a hand serum. Black Blossom hand serum. And it was, I don't remember what it was, but it was a serum for the face. I absolutely fell in love with it. It made my skin feel so silky smooth. I ended up going and buying like 4 more. Which I know is bad, but I fell in love with them and they were on sale, and I think it was with BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something, and I bought so many, which I don't regret, not even a little bit. But here it is, Serum Kind. The top is sealed, but the bottom is not, so let's take a look. $27. Oh, that's cute. I like it. A precious serum of the royal black tulip. So it gives you kind of like an intense skin barrier infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom drop. Black tulips. Do you tell me how to use you on here? Apply on hands and cuticles and massage until absorbed. That's it. That seems pretty simple. Right? Is that how you say here? Yeah. Oh, on here on the app it says apply a liberal amount of the serum to clean hands for best results. Reapply to the hands after washing, which totally makes sense. $27. I'll let you know if that's worth it. I 100% feel like Serum Kind is a wonderful brand. I haven't tried anything from them I don't like, and I have tried I think 2 serums. Both did great. One of them amazing, the other one great. So throwing it out there. The next, oh, the last item I should say in my box is a little open. Oh, it's a deodorant. It's a deodorant. I just bought some. Where were you like the beginning of the week? It's the end of the week now, but the beginning of the week I needed this. It's $18. It is, well, deodorant. It's called Wake the F Up Deodorant by Rosie Jane. And I think I picked this up. Oh, it's got lemon, verbena, grapefruit, and eucalyptus. I'm not a grapefruit fan, but everything else I am. I picked this up because I got a, oh, what was it? It was in another subscription box, but it was like a perfume or something. And it was a roll-on, and it was by this brand, and I loved it. So, like, a lot of stuff is based off of brand association right now, and, like, loving whatever from the brand. So, let's see, $18. Do you tell me how to use it? No. It just says product overview. Huh. Okay, so on here, are you a glass? It's a glass jar. The lid's like cracked, so there's no real point in this. But that's beautiful. Clean beauty for cool humans. Warning, extreme delight and happiness may be experienced. Smells like good for how to. Spray 2 to 3 pumps under each arm. Allow to dry 3 to 5 seconds before dressing. Reapply throughout the day as needed. If this lid wasn't like cracked and damaged, I would totally take this everywhere with me. This seems so nice. And just the glass clear aesthetic of the whole thing makes me feel like so fancy. Not like I'm going to take it and set it on my desk or anything. Like, just like go to Dutch Bros and sit out there and have a coffee and like pop this. I'm not. Oh. Oh, that's very nice and very fresh. That's calm. I like that. Oh, dang. I'm kind of thinking like, should I just stop my other deodorant and come back to it later? Because like I'm always very much like a finish it and then move on kind of girl. But I don't know. And $18 isn't too bad. I do like the whole better for you supposedly, and you can like spray it on, you don't have to touch it. I did the Lush deodorants, and like all of them I end up having to touch, like get in there with my fingers and just rub, and then I have to wash, and it's just a thing I'm not fond of. But anyway, 18 doll hairs, and that's the box, folks. Oh, it says until next time. That explains why my box was so small. I didn't get like big items this time, because before I get like, I think I got like pots and pans one time, jars, candles, glasses, like glassware glasses. So just a little bit of everything here and there. Is it? Yeah, that's it. I'm trying to put this back in my box like as nice and as neat as possible. Hold on, let me fix this. I messed up. I put these in backwards so it's not as aesthetically pleasing. So this that's everything. That's my, oh, you can't even see it well. That's my Fabfitfun box. It's honestly, they probably could use a box like half this size, maybe even a third this size. Oh my gosh, like when I saw it and it was delivered, I was like, that's not my Fabfitfun box. Those things are normally like the size of a toddler or two. Like they are large, but I didn't get big products, and I'm not mad at it. I think I'm gonna love all these products. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products before, what I have to look forward to, pros and cons. I love both sides. Let me know. I kind of want to know as well what you guys got in your box. If you picked, like if you're the C's annual subscriber, I think you get to pick everything. Seasonal, I think you don't. Or you get to pick some. Anyway, I'm going to leave this here. Make sure you leave that comment down below, and I will catch you next time. Bye!